Morning. We are back in New York. I'm making pancakes. There, see? Pancakes. I got a box in the mail. Here it is. So if you are on the internet a lot, you'll probably know what Ninja Milk is, and you'll probably know that they're shutting down. And so of course I had to buy some peach iced tea. I ordered this first, and then he copied me.
It's good.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So we were just at a thrift. Oh look, there's a bunch of books on the side of the road here. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to read this.
Seinfeld on the TV. Seinfeld on the table. Seinfeld in my hand.
What is hair?
He needs his hair.
Where's his hair? I thought I just gave it to you. Right
oh,
there.
it's right there. Yeah. Give him the microphone.
Okay, so now, is there anything else I need to know?
What's the deal?
Jerry Seinfeld.
This set has a lot of good pieces actually. Like, it's got a computer. Oh wow, these shots are great.
Yeah.
Got a teapot.
Yeah.
The air conditioning unit. The fridge. The microwave. We have finished the Lego set.
We did it. We survived.
There it is. Old Seinfeld versus Seinfeld.
It's a good one. It's a good
It's a
set.
very good set.
Kramer. Newman. George. Elaine. Jerry Seinfeld.
You gonna name them all?
Yeah. Lego Seinfeld. There you go.
Listen, okay?
Hey guys.
Shortening refrigerator
That's got Chinese food.
is ref, okay? I mean, fridge is also correct. But ref is, I mean, it's 3 letters versus 5, I'm just saying. Wait, no, 6. 6 letters.
No, it's no.